All of you, welcome to the session. This is Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. So, for machine design, fifth semester. So, code is 15ME53T. So, Department of Mechanical Engineering. So, unit number 6, ergonomics and aesthetic designs. In this chapter, session number 3. So once again, all of you, welcome to the session. So we go for in chapter number 6, ergonomics and aesthetic designs. In this topic we are discuss about the display instrument. So what is the display unit? What are the we are using display instruments? What are the advantages? What is the benefits? And what are the design aspects of in the display systems? We will briefly discuss about this in this session. So what is the definition of ear? So displays, these are the devices through which the man or user receives the information from the machine. It's called as a displays. It indicates some information or some guidelines or any informations to receives from users or man. So both are it gives the full information in this. This called as a display. Some displays we are observed that in the or any roadsides or any highways or any shops, where indicates clear information about the in the whatever the information sharing in the people. This called as a displays. A good display device is one which allows the proper combination of speed, accuracy, and sensitivity of the displays. The visual displays instruments are classified into the three basic groups. So these devices are very classified into the basic three informations. Depends upon the instrument and used in the classifications. So first one is the displays giving quantitative measurements such as speedometer, voltmeter, or energy meter. So this in giving information is a quantitative measurements. So we give the quantitative informations, this speedometer, voltmeter, or a energy meter. Second one is displays giving the state of affairs such as the red lamp indicators. So third one is the third displays gives this indications of predetermined settings. For example, a lever which can be set out of the 1440 rpm or a 720 rpm or a off position OFF, off position in for a 2-speed electric motors. So these are the three basic classifications of the in the display systems. We go for types of displays here. The displays can be classified in according to their physical characteristics, what they look like, and or according to the type of information that they are provided. This card is a based on this type of your display will be classifications. We go for first one is visual displays here. Visual means we are observing what are the we are seeing in the from our notice. So this is the visual displays. A visual displays is a device that present information about the object. So your present information in the from the object we are observing here. So this is the VR displays are a events are a situations to you through your eyes. So this is the from your eyes we are observing what are the observe here, what are the events or situations. In this basic information we are through your eyes will observe here. Sometimes the display will be used in the addition to information gained by the observing the event or a situations directly. But in some circumstances the displays may be the only sources of information available to you. Some informations or some displays only to give the informations. Some displays will give the briefly about the what are the basic needs of in this to society, they'll give the informations. Some small examples here we are notice. What is the notice here? In the digital meters or in a some gadgets, some laptops or in a computers or in a speedometers or in a indicators or in a traffic signals. So these are the give the information about the in the basic needs. So this is the we are observing from the eyes. This is the visual displays. So observe here. So see here some indications here. So how the indications will operate here. So this is the speedometers indications, the meters indications. So continuously will rotation of the observe here. This is the in this ergonomics we are using in this display systems. This is the indications of the speedometers or gauges. So what is the units of gauges, and it will be in the dials. This is also one of the wristwatch or wall clocks we are using just in the display of the timings. This is the one of the type of display. This is the counters. Counters means in a digital. So the observe here it shows the display and of the digital units, and is the output will give the in computers. It is also display informations in the computers. You are observing the any informations or a news or any other information from these computers is called as a display units. So this is the traffic signals. So red, yellow and green. So this basic information will give to the in traffic signals. These are the main indications of this display units. So this gives you some information to the peoples are in a society. This is called as a display units. And we go for next one is the visual display instrument are classified into the following categories. Depends upon the categories we are observing here. The quantitative measurement displays. Second one is qualitative measurement displays. So what is the qualitative and quantitative measurement displays here? So first one you go for quantitative measurement displays here. These displays give the quantitative measurements or a numerical information such as voltmeter, speedometer or energy meter. This gives only numerical information. This is the quantity measurement displays. And the quantitative displays may be in the form of pointer, scale type or a digital display type. Is also using in this quantitative display instruments. So observe here the various types of quantitative displays here. This is the wall clock. What is it shown is in a numerical. So and this indications of what is the exact times, and this will give the information. And this is the bikes or any other vehicles indications. What is the speed of their vehicles, and this is the so in a digital. So see the this is the 45. This is shown in the digital. In numeric also we are showing in the displays. These are the three measurements here. Fixed scales with moving pointers. So this is the fixed here. This point is fixed center point of this fixed here. So only the moving points pointers will be moving on the displays. It shows the exact information about the display systems. So second we go for moving a scale with the fixed pointer. So points are fixed and only the moving scale will be moved to the information to give the observers or receivers. See this fixed pointers is just shown in the moving scale. So weighing machines are in a navigation instrument or other scale information. So these are the three basic information give the only the display systems. And next one is a digital displays here. So see first one is 27 degrees centigrade. This basic information of the our climate. What is the present situation of degree centigrade is 27 degrees centigrade, and is the basic information digital. So what is the exact time, what is the exact speed, and what is the exact locations exactly will give the information. See observe where this sketch is. Observe where speed is 9.3 in the depth of 32.2. So basic information and very clearly and accuracy and efficiency will give the this type of display systems. So observe here, these are the various types of quantitative displays here. Circular scales or a semicircular scales. This is the full circular scales. Okay, so one point is fixed here, and the pointer will move to the from 0 to 120 degree, and we are using in the vehicles, and this also we are using in the some small vehicles in 0 to 80, and it is the scale we are using in a scale, and this is the also we are using a scale of in vertical. This is the horizontal scales. So these are the moving pointers, fixed scale type of displays. So the moving pointers, the pointers is moving, the only the scales is fixed. This is the type of display systems, and this is the various points of quantitative displays in this moving fixed pointer moving scale type of displays. So scales is moving, and the only fixed pointer, this is the fixed pointer we are moving in the circular scales. This is the horizontal scales, this is the vertical scale. These are the various types of quantitative displays we are observing here. Then we go for qualitative measurement displays here. So what is the difference between qualitative and quantitative? So here indications is qualitative. The qualitative measurement displays gives the only the conditions or a state of parameters such as an indicators, traffic signals, etc. The only the information will be parameters, such conditions parameter will be in this qualitative measurements. They can make use of flashing lights and other auditory warnings. We are using this type of qualitative measurement displays here. See the sketch here. The figure shows the qualitative display of in this type of circular dials here. Three basic conditions here: odd condition, cold condition, and war condition. So we are easily it shows the which type of condition we are observe here. So see the observe here. This is the odd condition we shows here. So easily can be measurement as in a cold condition or in a warm condition. So this is the straight legendary scale we are using in this type of qualitative measurement. So this observe here, this is the also indicates the hot condition in a circular dial gauges and straight line legendary scales we are observe here. So both are will indicates in the hot conditions. In figure 7.2 was the quantitative display by pointers. So in this sketch we are observing the tropic signals. What is the light indication? Red, orange, or in a green. So it will be shown in the next slides. Observe here. So these are the ergonomics and aesthetic design conditions in the tropic lights. So red is that we are observing the red, yellow, and green. So observe here, red, yellow, and green. So what is the red? Red indicates the so is in a danger condition. Okay, so stop the vehicles. And what is the yellow indicates is in a ready to move but not go. So just we are ready to move. And what is the green signals indicates here? Just we are safely drive. So your signals is free. Then we go to the moved vehicles. So this indicates here red and means. So this indicates red is indicates arrow into mark. This is the danger place. These are the green will be go for indications. So these are the tropic lights we are using in this type of display systems. In qualitative visual displays, observe here is the temperature, engine oil, and other very give information about this type of dial gauges. So this is the 140, 170, 200, 240, 320. So everything will be shown in this here. So observe here in this speedometers are in a meter. So observe 0 to 100 here. It shows the 60, 64 something here. So speed of the vehicle is 64. And what are the kilometers we are running in this vehicle? So 9,753 kilometers we are running the vehicles per hours, meters per hours. So this is the indication shows this is the what is the RMP speed, vehicle speed, and this of these vehicles we are just shown in this display systems. So these are the basic informations of the display systems, and we go for next one is ergonomics consideration in the design of displays. What are the displays we are in the basic considerations is to minimize the fatigue to the user is in the main objective in the design of displays. Thus following are some ergonomics conditions used for the design of the displays. So basic information we required for some ergonomic consideration in the display systems. First one is for the size of numbers, letters on the scale, the standard should be followed, such as, so mainly the numbers, letters or any standard measurement can be easily shown in the display systems. The height of the numbers or letters or distance readings is more than 200. So these are the readings, diameters and numbers, everything will be shown the clearly. The linear progression should be in the therefore scale divisions. Each and every scale division will be clearly in the linear progression. The legible and clear scale should be used. Very clearly observe the this display system should be shown here. In the vertical and horizontal scale, the vertical number should be used. So almost the vertical number should be we are using in this type of display systems. On a circular scale, the numbering should be in the clockwise direction from the left to right. A practical example of this type of speedometer in the 4 wheels. These are the left to right indications are in a speedometers. 4 wheels are in a clockwise directions are in a left to right and right to left. We are observing the very clearly it should be shows here. The controls associated with the display should be in the placed near to each other. This will be display clearly and will be near to the display system to the customers or any users or any manuals will be very clear in this type of consideration should be in the adopted for the design of the display systems. So we go for next one is multiple choice questions here. So please concentrate on the questions here. So question number 1. So what is the question number 1? Ergonomics is the study of. So basic informations from the ergonomics. The study the deals of your options here: anthropology, second one is psychology and physiological, and all of this above. Which one is your correct answer, and guess the your answer here. So ergonomics is the study of, is the basic study of. So options A is anthropology, second one is physiology, third one is psychological, and fourth one is all of this above. So guess your answer and we'll give the key answers in the end of this session. We go for second question here. Which of the below not a type of controls? So one of the instrument is not a in our display controls. So just observe the here. First one is hand wheel, second one is foot pedal, and third one is seat, and fourth one is hand lever. In this among four, one of this is not a our control system. So guess your answers. Again we read the question once again. Which of the below not a type of controls? Hand wheel, second one is foot pedal, third one is seat, and fourth one is hand lever. So guess your answers. I will give the hint of this in this session end. We go for question number 3. So what is the question number 3 here? A good display device is a combination of. I will repeat the question once again. A good display device is a combination of. A good display device. This is an options here. Option number 1 A, speed. Option number B, accuracy. Option number C, sensor. Option number D, all of the above. A good display system is a combination of. Which one is your correct answer? Guess and find out the correct answers. A good display system needed the combination of speed, accuracy, sensor, all of the above. So write your answer and guess your answers. So we'll go for fourth question. Question number 4. The example of qualitative displays are. So one of the is a qualitative displays here. So first one A is a circular dial, second one is straight legend, third one is colored light. So fourth option is all of the above. So the which of the were qualitative displays here? Which one is the example of qualitative displays here? So option A circular dial, option B straight legend, option C colored light, and all of the above. So guess your answers and give the hint to the end of this session. We go for fifth question. Question number 5 here. In Morgan color code, yellow indicates. I will repeat the question once again. In Morgan color code, yellow indicates. In Morgan color code, so neatly observe here. So color of the code, yellow indicates. What is it indicates? Option A, first one, danger. Option B, safe. Option 3, caution. Option D, cold. So carefully observe here. In Morgan color code, yellow indicates. First one danger, second one is safe, third one is caution, and fourth one is cold. So yellow indicates. So Morgan color code. So guess your answers. Okay, I will give the hint in this question answer. Question number 6. So question number 6, observe here. Which of the not a basic form of product in ergonomics and aesthetic designs? Which of the not a basic form of the product here? First one square form, second one step form, third one is share form, and option number D is the taper form. Which of the is not a basic form of the product? First one is square form, second one is the step form, third one is share form, and fourth one is the taper form. Okay, guess your answers. I will give the key answers in the end of the session. So we go for question number 7. Give an example of quantitative displays here. So the example of quantitative displays are option number A, voltmeter, option number B, ammeter, option number C, speedometer, option number D, all of the above. So once again I will repeat the question here. Example of quantitative displays are option A voltmeter, option B ammeter, option number C speedometer, option number D all of the above. So guess your answers. So I will go for question number 8. So question number 8 here, the parameters consideration in the aesthetic designs are. So what are the consideration in the aesthetic designs on the parameters? So first one is functional performance, second one is durability, number C is comfort to user, and option D is the all of the above. So guess your answers. Neatly observe the question. What are the parameters consideration in the aesthetic design here? So option number A, functional performance, durability, option number the comfort to user, and all of the above. So guess your answers. We'll go for 9th question here. In aesthetic design, what are the aspects needed? So once again repeat the question. In aesthetic design, what are the aspects needed? Option number A, form, option number B, color, option number C, continuity, option number D, all of the above. So guess your answers. So what is the question? In aesthetic design, what are the aspects needed? Form, color, continuity, and all of the above. So guess your answers. Okay, we'll give the hint of this end of the session. So we'll go for last question. For safe exposure limits for noise levels for 8 hours of working day is. We'll repeat the question. The safe exposure limits for a noise levels for 8 hours of a working day is. Option number A, 90 decibels, option number B, 110 decibels, option number 3, 130 decibels, option number D, 150 decibels. So guess your answers from question number 1 to question number 10. So guess your answers. I will give the key answers here. So from key answers here, Question number 1, option D is the correct answer. Question number 2, C is the correct answer. Question number 3, D is the right answer. For fourth question, D is the correct answer. Question number 5, so C is the your correct answer. And question number 6, question number 6 is right answer is A. And seventh question, so your right answer is D. And eighth question is D is the right answer. And ninth question, option D is the right answer. And 10th question, A is the right answers. So cross check your answers. So this is the key answers for multiple choice questions. So thank you one and all. This is the end of the session. Thank you.